Hello again and welcome to Beautiful Naturally. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a hair mask that will make your dull hair silky and shiny. So for this, you will need one banana and one avocado. And if you don't have avocado, you can use 1 cup of yogurt with one banana. And for long hair, you can double up the quantity. So I have taken one banana and one avocado. Just peel them and slice them and put them in a blender. After that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hair oil. You can use any hair oil that you apply on your hair regularly, and then blend all these three together and make a nice fine paste. And after that, apply this freshly made paste on your scalp and along the length of your hair. Leave it for 30 minutes and then wash your hair as per your regular style with your normal shampoo, and mask will turn your hair silky and shiny. So try this and find the difference. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.